Pinterest is both a creative outlet and a marketer's dream, meaning you can learn how to make money on Pinterest in several different ways. However, Pinterest knows how powerful the platform is, and they have been actively making changes to protect their users' experience. There have been changes with affiliate marketing, running contests, etc. Some people who learned how to make money on Pinterest had to adjust their strategies, but the changes have honestly made it better for everyone. The content is getting better, and everyone is experiencing a more authentic experience. So here is an updated way to make money on Pinterest in 2022. 1. Offer Pinterest virtual assistant services. Help bloggers, online businesses, and social media influencers make the most out of their Pinterest accounts. Help create and schedule pins, perform keyword research, run promoted pins, and build opt-ins, sales funnels, and more. Pinterest virtual assistants have flexible work schedules and can take on different clients at the same time. How much you can earn as a Pinterest virtual assistant depends on the client you are working with, but you can easily earn as much as $500 for every client per month. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, the Pinterest Virtual Assistant course will teach you how to make money on Pinterest as a virtual assistant. You learn about everything that the job entails from scratch, plus how to find, land, and retain clients. Signing up for the course is absolutely free by using my Skillshare referral link to get 2 months free trial of over 10,000 courses. 2. Affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Affiliate marketing is when you partner with companies to promote products or services. The company gives you a unique link, affiliate link, that you insert in your posts or pins. When someone clicks on that link and makes a purchase, you are paid a commission. This is called making a conversion. Affiliate marketing is one of several different ways that bloggers make money, but it's also a legit way to make money on Pinterest. You can find affiliates through networks like Share a Sale, Flex Offers, and ClickBank. Once you have affiliates to work with, you create pins with affiliate links in the text. However, there are some companies that don't let you post their affiliate links on Pinterest, so always check with company's affiliate manager and read the rules of your contract. An example of this is Airbnb, which requires that you have at least 1 million page visits a month to even be considered as an affiliate partner. Amazon also requires that you have an established blog or website to become an affiliate. When posting affiliate links, Pinterest does not want you to mask or shorten the affiliate link. They want you to be as transparent as possible. You always need to disclose your affiliate relationship. This is required by the FTC. The easiest thing to do is put #affiliate or #affiliate link in your pin. And possibly the most important point, Pinterest has changed their stance on affiliate marketing several times already. They allowed it in the beginning, banned it in 2015, and now it's allowed again. I bring this up because when you are making money on another platform, your income is dependent on that platform. A change in Pinterest policy could be devastating to an affiliate marketer who is making money on Pinterest alone. So, start by diversifying your streams of income, and starting a blog is a great one for someone with a large Pinterest following already. There are also other social media platforms that might be good fits too, like Instagram and Facebook. 3. Sell your own physical products on Pinterest. One way to make money on Pinterest is to sell your products. Majority of people today are searching for products online from the comfort of their homes. You can use your Pinterest account to advertise the products that you're selling. The Pinterest platform has a rich set of tools and features that can help get your products found online easily. You need to learn how to make use of them. For example, if you have an e-commerce store, you can make use of the Buyable Pins feature. Buyable Pins feature is an excellent tool designed for anyone who is selling physical products. With Buyable Pins, customers can buy your products without ever leaving the Pinterest platform. The Buyable Pins are marked with a blue price and add to bag buttons that help customers spot and purchase the products on Pinterest. You could also consider setting up the rich pins on Pinterest. Some of the most popular rich pins include a recipe, product, place, movie, app, and article rich pins. You must set up as a business account on Pinterest, which is simple. All you need to add is the Yoast SEO plugin, validate your rich pins, and then apply and wait for feedback from Pinterest. Also, consider creating contests to help you sell your products. Competitions help businesses get people to engage with their brand. If the contest is done well, it can trigger engagement with your brand and get people talking about your brand. People may also add and save your pins, which may eventually lead to a sale. The bottom line is to ensure that you're enhancing the experience of the viewer, as that is what will help them make the purchasing decision. Create unique and eye-catching images and collage to appeal to your target viewers. 4. Sell digital products. Besides selling physical products, you can also sell digital products. If you have something that you can sell virtually, then you can use Pinterest to do so. Digital products that can be sold over the internet, and they include items such as ebooks, software, music files, digital images, and templates, and more. You can author an ebook and then use Pinterest to promote your book. You may also design an online course with platforms such as Udemy and Teachable, and then market it using the platform. The Pinterest platform will not only help you increase sales revenue, but also establish your brand. To improve your online presence on Pinterest, as well as other major search engines like Google, you will need to use search engine optimization, SEO, strategies. Make sure that you have used the right keywords and make the most of your About profile information. 5. Become an influencer. Another way to make money on Pinterest is to become an influencer. If you have a considerable following, as well as good engagement, then you can partner with huge brands and work on paid ads and promotions. In essence, you will be helping these brands receive more significant online traffic, which will be coming from your followers. Then you can have these brands pay you for these services. With this method, your earnings mostly depend on the number of clicks and save that you have on your pins, since these are what ultimately help drive the traffic to the target website. With your influence, you can promote different brands to people who follow you or your discussion. People are more likely to purchase products recommended to them by someone they admire or who has an influence on them. 6. Ask for sponsorship from brands to promote them. If you haven't developed a big following, you can target a specific brand that you can encourage and strike a deal of sponsorship. For example, if you're passionate about being fit and you have built an audience of people with similar interests, you can approach a company selling products that appeal to your audiences, like those that sell gym wear, gym machines, or sportswear. You need to share your Pinterest account statistics with the companies and offer them a deal or ask for sponsorship. 7. Teach people your Pinterest strategy. When you get really good at any of those ideas above, the next step is to make money on Pinterest by leveraging your Pinterest knowledge. Different brands are looking for ways to advertise and market their products and services online. You can make them understand how they can use Pinterest to reach a wider audience and to leverage it to their advantage if you're a Pinterest expert. If you manage to find several brands to work with you, other pinners will want to know how. Created a number of successful Pinterest campaigns for different clients. Give people that knowledge. You can monetize your Pinterest knowledge with courses, ebooks, coaching, etc. Having a blog will help you share your journey and reach other people who want to do the same. You can help them create Pinterest marketing strategies that work, as well as help improve their online presence. Curating a shared board is another simple way to reach a broader audience. This is because shared boards appear on both their profile as well as yours. Different brands typically pay content creators a flat fee to curate a board that leverages their content, audience reach, and even expertise. Add a mix of the brand's pins and your pins when you're curating a board. If you make a well-rounded board that includes content from other pinners and from around the web, then you'll reach even a broader audience.